and he cannot wear that uniform outside the training base, which is called the South African Police College in Pretoria West. I believe it's still there. And there's also, in the old days, it was known as the depot, police depot. And it's a dreadful place. As I said, if a sergeant would catch you eating with your hat on your head because you're a damn liberal or something, I've seen men actually crawl on the tar with the sergeants just around them, They weren't kicking them in the ribs, but I'm sure they would have if I could have gotten away with it. So just made them leopard crawl up and down, run, carry each other until they start throwing up. That's how it went. And then you shut up and you clean up where you throw it up because you're a disgusting human being for doing such things. So the training in the police college was tough.